Hey guys, I'm back, and today I want to show you something real quick. There it is. You see that? You see that? You can't, bet you. You can't. But there's chicken here. In part of Mexico, there's chicken. That chicken looks sexy. That chicken can run faster than you can. That chicken is a chicken nugget. Within chickens come chicken nuggets. So that's logic, man. That's logic. So if I go inside to the backyard, you guys are gonna see something else. Come on. Yes, I'm in the middle of Mexico in a little ranch. I know this place a lot. There we go. Okay. We're out here. I shall close this before the animals get inside. Close me in here. And you guys are gonna see something special. They're really fat and noisy too. You hear that? There it is. There it is. Fat McNugget. Come with me. That's a simple pig. Yes, I'm trying to record with a phone, and it's horrible graphics. As you can see, that was a pig, but there is the mini pigs. I don't know if you guys can see them. They run. Come on, run, boys. Run there. They're all like eating up. So yeah, there's one mad pig. Piggy is mad at me. I don't know why. The pigs are running away to find food. And so yeah, it's pig land over here, and it's hard to upload videos because there's no Wi-Fi around here. Include there's no signal in this little ranch, but we're going um to the city part type of ish, and yeah, I'm gonna be able to upload this video over there in the city because there's Wi-Fi and signal over there. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. So yeah, events preview. That's why I haven't uploaded yet since a long time ago because there's no Wi-Fi around here. So excuse me a bit. I gotta put this door where it belongs, man. There we go. I'm inside this little room. This little shack, my grandpa built himself with his bare hands. So inside this little room, there's this. The amazingness. I mean, I use it all day. So yeah, pretty much it's a small stuff. Not really a lot for exciting news, but I just wanted to show you that I am in it for where there's pigs and chicken, and pigs and chicken combined equals bacon and egg. And if you include chicken nuggets, then that would be overpowered. Understand, man? Total science. You guys learned a new thing. Now, since I'm in the ranch, I won't be able to do pretty much nothing when we get to be bored. So that's why I'm here with you guys. back at it again. So yeah, the pigs eat that crap. It smells bad. Also, um, so lonely here because the only kids that are here, they freaking do weird stuff. They're weird. I'm not kidding. So I'm waiting inside, and I'm gonna show you something else. Betcha it's there still. So yeah. So if I go over here, yeah. So see that? See that little thing? That's a lizard. Lizard. Cause it wants to be a lizard, and it can be a lizard, and chicken, 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 chicken. God, that dog is scared. Look at that chicken. Get away. That's my chicken. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy. And stay tuned for more dumb videos like this one. Bye, guys. And remember, chicken make chicken nuggets and eggs. And also pigs make bacon. Makes total sense. Bye, guys. See you in the next time.